for animals and birds. Food for mammals. All animals need food and water. However, all animals do not eat the same food. Cows, buffaloes, and goats eat grass. Horses like to eat gram. Monkeys, elephants, and rabbits like to eat fruits, vegetables, and leaves of plants. The bear, lion, and tiger eat other animals as their food. Food for reptiles. Lizards, crocodiles, and snakes eat insects and small animals. Snakes do not chew their food, they swallow it. Food for birds. Birds peck at grains and fruits with their beaks. Some birds, like the woodpecker, eat small insects. Parrots love to eat chilies and guavas. Some birds, like the stork, eagle, and hawk, eat smaller animals. Food for insects. The butterfly sucks the nectar from flowers. The mosquito sucks blood for its food. Food habits of animals. Different animals have different food habits. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Some herbivores are horses, deer, zebra, etc. Animals that eat only other animals are called carnivores. Some carnivores are lions, tigers, etc. Some animals eat both plants and animals. They are called omnivores. Some omnivores are squirrels, pigs, bear, etc. Care of animals. We should be kind to all animals. We should not tease or hurt them. We should also take good care of our pets. They should be given food on time. We should take them to the animal doctor when they are ill. Animal doctors are called veterinary surgeons or vets. Veterinary medicine is the branch of medicine that deals with the cure of diseases in animals.